Atkins Civil 3D video series, SWR 1A, SWR part catalog. This video illustrates A, the pipe network part catalog, and B, update the U.S. Imperial pipes and structures. Pipe networks is used for both sewer and storm drain improvements. Due to the simpler pipes and structures, it is easier to learn the Civil 3D procedures for sewer improvements first. In an improvement project, the design of the storm drain facilities are normally performed prior to the sewer facilities. The various types and sizes of gravity pipes and structures available for use in Civil 3D are contained in the Pipes catalog. Use the Civil 3D Part Builder command to add or modify parts in the Parts catalog. Home ribbon, create design panel. Select the arrow to the right. Select the Part Builder icon. Gravity pipes are contained in the U.S. Imperial catalog, and structures are contained in the U.S. Imperial Structure catalog. The path is C Program Data, Autodesk, C3D the year, ENU, Pipe catalog, U.S. Imperial Structure, or U.S. Imperial Pipe. It is nearly impossible to modify or create a structure in Part Builder and to have it appear in the drawing, plan, or profile in a manner desired. Months could be easily spent working in Part Builder on one structure with little success. It is a lot better to select a structure contained in the part catalog that best fits the characteristics desired and modify the dimensions or make minor modifications thereof. Generally, only the exterior outline of the structure needs to be shown in both plan and profile views. After a structure is created in the drawing, use standard AutoCAD commands to add lines, circle, hatches, etc. to the structure, and wipeout command to hide portions thereof. Atkins has modified or created several pipes and structures that need to be included in the parts catalog for sewer and storm drain facilities. Each part contains a .dwg, a .bmp, and a .xml file. Atkins has included the modified U.S. Imperial pipes and U.S. Imperial structure folders in the tutorial drawings. If you have downloaded Atkins tutorial drawings, use Windows Explorer to compare and update the files contained in the U.S. Imperial pipe and the U.S. Imperial structure folders on your computer. Make a copy of your current folders prior to any modifications. Copy the appropriate .dwg, .bmp, and .xml files from Atkins to your computer. If there's a file with the same name, copy and keep both files. After running Civil 3D, determine which type of pipe or structure you wish to keep and delete the other from the folder. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.